Processed foods, all you need to know. Welcome to our journey into the world of processed foods. Today, we're diving deep into what they are, how they're made, and why they matter. So let's get started. The history of processed foods is a fascinating tale. From ancient preservation techniques to modern convenience foods, it's a story of innovation and adaptation. We will explore how our ancestors preserved food and how these methods evolved over time. Now, let's delve into the science behind food processing. It's not just about making food last longer, it's about enhancing flavors, improving safety, and even boosting nutritional value. We'll uncover the techniques and technologies that make it all possible. Processed foods, believe it or not, do have their benefits. First and foremost, they offer convenience. Imagine trying to prepare a meal from scratch every single day. Processed foods save us time and effort. They also have a longer shelf life, which means less food waste. And let's not forget, they can be fortified with essential nutrients that might be missing from our regular diets. So, in moderation, they can actually support a balanced diet. However, it's important to be aware of the downsides too. Many processed foods are high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. These can contribute to various health issues like obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Plus, they often contain artificial additives and preservatives, which some people might want to avoid. It's crucial to read labels and be mindful of what we're consuming. So, how can we make healthier choices when it comes to processed foods? Well, start by looking for options with fewer ingredients and ones that you recognize. Choose whole grain versions of processed items like bread and pasta. Also, opt for products with lower levels of added sugars and sodium. And, whenever possible, incorporate more fresh fruits and vegetables into your meals. Small changes can make a big difference. In conclusion, processed foods are a significant part of our modern diet. While they offer convenience and certain nutritional benefits, it's essential to be aware of their potential downsides. By making informed choices and balancing our intake with fresh, whole foods, we can enjoy the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of processed foods. Stay informed and make choices that are best for your health and well-being.